Hello everyone, welcome to Riz Auto channel. I'm Aubrey. Now I'm in our RV showroom. You can see the content of a motorhome Mercedes based on Sprinter. The car's mainly exterior color is blue and white. The car equipped with constant temperature, stability, performance. Now let me show you the interior of the car. Everything you can see is the famous brand in the world. Both of the seats is wrapped with Italian leather. And this is the bathroom. This is the refrigerator. And there also has double bed. And now this car is on sale. The original price is 100 million, but just now it just costs about 615,000. If you are interested in this motorhome, feel free to contact us. Don't forget follow our social media account. That's all. See you next time. Bye bye.